Okay, so I have a lot of books and I've read a lot of books. Personally, say a lot. I mean a lot. Oh my goodness. कि क्या नाम था इस लड़के का? माधव के साथ Madhav. But then we have the most famous books. It starts with us, it ends with us. My personal favorite, Cinderella is Dead. मैंने चुन चुन के वो अपने फोन पे नोट्स ऐप में वो पेजेस लिखे हैं जहाँ पे ही इज लाइक ओह माय गॉड ही इज गोइंग क्रेजी एंड आई एम गोइंग क्रेजी एंड आई एम लाइक या
देखो जब मैं अच्छी लग रही होती है ना तो ना मेरी बहन ने पूरे वीडियो में कहीं कैमरा मेरे ऊपर करा नथिंग बट सुबह के 5 बजे जब मैं बकवास से बकवास लग सकती हूँ देन शी लाइक वो वहां पे पढ़ रही है अरे प्रिवेसी दीदी
प्रीवियसली मुझे प्रीवियसली
एग्जैक्टली
I have to yup. That's it. That's it for the vlog. I hope you loved it and liked it, and I love you guys. I love you guys. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Drumroll. Okay, so I am back with another video, and like I guess this is gonna be Girl Let's Talk, but this is gonna be about my books, as you would have already read in the subtitle or whatever. Okay, and we're gonna just get into it because I am so happy that I just don't even wanna miss a single second of it. Okay, first wait. Yeah. Huh. Okay, so I have a lot of books and I've read a lot of books personally, and I started reading in 2023 after my 12th happened, and फिर मैं नानी के घर थी and I saw मेरे मामू की एक बुक थी and where is it? Oh my goodness, wait a minute. Okay, so मामू की बुक पढ़ी हुई थी चेतन भगत की टू स्टेट्स एंड उस टाइम पे ना आई वाज लाइक कि वो मेरे को तो वो लवर गर्ल बनना है एंड मुझे ये सब कुछ पढ़नी है. मेरी तो फील्ड वाज ऑल ओवर द बुक्स एंड आई वांटेड टू रीड एवरीथिंग बट आई डिडंट हैव मनी. तो एंड मेरे पास कुछ स्टार्ट करने के लिए भी था. तो I took his book and I asked him can I take it, and he was like yeah sure and he thought कि मैं नहीं पढ़ूंगी, but I did and I never stopped. So I have a lot of books. When I say a lot, I mean a lot. Oh my goodness. Oh, Jesus. My goodness. Okay, so let's start with the start because I was actually trying to see कि दूसरी साइड से कैसे दिखेगा, but never mind, I just cannot help it. Okay, so let's get into it. I started with Two States by Chetan Bhagat, and I absolutely fell in love. I literally fell in love with this book instantly because I just don't know. It just had the connection, and I was in the phase कि हवाएं ऐसी चलती हैं, प्यार ऐसे बुरा है. तो मैंने ये पढ़ी and I was like oh, and on the 25th page I was so hell happy. मैंने अपनी बहन को सीधा कॉल किया, they did it, and I was like so yeah. So this has like special place in my heart, and अब तो मुझे याद नहीं कि मैंने कौन सी बुक कब कैसे पढ़ी थी. तो आई जस्ट नो द स्टार्टिंग. तो अब मैं सीधा बस दिखाती जाऊँगी कि मेरे पास कौन कौन सी बुक्स हैं. ठीक है. नाउ आई ऑल्सो हैव चेतन भगत के देख रही है मुझे तो. तो हाफ गर्लफ्रेंड की मूवी भी बन गई है एंड चेतन भगत की आई हैव लाइक ऑलमोस्ट एवरी सेकंड बुक. आई फील लाइक मेरे पास हर एक बुक है उसकी तो आई एब्सोल्युटली लव इट. चेतन भगत की हाफ गर्लफ्रेंड एंड आई रिमेम्बर मैं उस टाइम पे दिल्ली में थी एंड आई वाज इन द मेट्रो एंड आई वाज रीडिंग इट एंड जब वो चली गई थी तो मैं तो रो गई थी कि यार कि क्या नाम था इस लड़के का माधव के साथ ऐसा हो गया. माधव. तो yeah, this was good. I bought this book in Delhi. तो वहाँ पे वो किलो के हिसाब से किताबें मिली थी. I was like, wow, मैं तो खरीदूंगी. And मैंने उस दिन कितने लगाए थे तो मेरे काफ़ी पैसे उड़ा दिए थे इस पर but I absolutely love it. I do not regret not even a single bone in my body says कि मुझे ये नहीं खरीदनी चाहिए थी क्योंकि I fell in love with this book instantly and I completed this book in like 2 days I guess. हाँ. Like, I sat and I never wanted to put the book as a one, but मेरे and he's sitting right there, so he's gonna listen everything. So I would just absolutely love it. I felt like I saw myself somewhere in the girl. क्या नाम था इसका? Jenny, I guess, yeah. So I love it. Yeah. But then we have the most famous books. It starts with us, it ends with us. They are the best, I guess. Yeah, Cullen Hoover की ये मेरी पहली 2 बुक्स थी. वो समय I have to go तो भी ऊपर है. And I just don't want to bother myself कि मैं ऊपर से निकाल दूँ. जो है वो से मैं काम चला लेते हैं. So when I read this, I was like, I just cannot wait, and I read this one too. And this one again, my personal favorite. Cinderella is dead. This is like 200 years पहले जब वो Cinderella का scene हुआ था. But once you will read this book, you will not think of the story Cinderella again with the same heart. I swear to God, मैंने Cinderella, I love Barbie movies. I watch everything like on the loop again and again. But after reading this book, I never watched Cinderella again. If I would love to like die again and wanna read another book, so this would be that book. This is gonna be that book because when I read this, I was like, what? Again and again, twists and turns, and I loved it. Moreover, this is like she was a lesbian, and I loved it. Like I was like, girl, I loved it. Yeah. So I felt really good. Then we have this. I hope this doesn't find you. मैंने ये इसी साल पढ़ी है. कब पढ़ी थी? मार्च में. Yeah. I donated the blood उस टाइम पे तो yeah. मैंने उस टाइम में पढ़ी थी. And I liked it. Like if I would have to get the stars in 10 on the rate of like on the scale of 10, I would give like 7.5. And these 2 books was given by my friend. मेरी friend ने बोला I was in like pretty bad phase उस time पे like mentally and physically nothing happened. Actually it was like I was mentally exhausted for a very long time. I was in depression and फिर मेरे को and she recommended this like good books. She was like कि तेरे को पढ़नी चाहिए and तू पढ़ेगी तो देखे you will like to understand what is happening inside your brain. So I kinda read a little bit because I could not. Romance पढ़ने वाला आदमी नहीं कर सकता है. And I'm not like even romance नहीं पढ़ती मैं but yeah. So this is that kind of book. Okay. Twisted Lies. I guess I do not have words for this because every second person knows, so it's better to shut up, right? So it is like it was really good book. मैंने ट्विस्टेड सारी पढ़ी हैं. मेरे पास दो ट्विस्ट लाइक आई रेड द ट्विस्टेड लव एंड द ट्विस्टेड लाइज मेरे पास थी. और बाकी की दो मैंने ऑनलाइन पढ़ी थी. तो या देन I have another Chetan Bhagat ki book, One Night the Call Center. I loved it, but not that much. I really liked the plot, but it could have been much more interesting, I guess. It was good. Like we got to know about a lot of things, a lot of twists and turns, but things happened. On the scale of 10, I guess again, I would give it 6 or 7. Yeah. Then I have Chetan Bhagat ki One Arranged Murder. Oh my goodness. Wait a minute. इसकी दूसरी कहानी. Oh. इसका फर्स्ट पार्ट मेरी फ्रेंड के पास है. Now I have to ask. मैं भूल गई थी कि मेरी बुक कहाँ है. Okay, so I must have given that to her. Okay. The Girl in the Room 105. Oh my god, that book. That was my first murder mystery, and this is the second. And I absolutely love it. मैंने ये भी दिल्ली में खरीदी थी. And I absolutely think that this was the worth it book. Murder mystery. मुझे ऐसे वहाँ देखो मुझे कुछ हो रही है. जिसने मुझे दी थी उसने यहाँ पे कुछ लिखा हुआ है फिक्शन एक्शन करके. एंड इफ आई कैन आई वुड लव टू किल हिम. One Arranged Murder. Then again Chetan Bhagat. I have Love Revolution. Absolutely fell in love with this. Absolutely fell in love because मैं भी पास आउट हुई थी. मेरे को लगा कि हम सब सेम ही एरा में चल रहे हैं. एंड ठीक है. Something was there. Okay, so इसने भी 12th पास किया था. How he made his like millionaire कैसे बनाएंगे वो. तो I felt okay, wow, nice. And then इसकी life was pretty much dashed. Oh my god. You Have Reached Sam by Dustin Howe. I don't know if I'm pronouncing his name right or not, but this one book, it is so good. Like you would feel the words, you would feel the grace in this book. How nicely author has done it. And so I know like ये थोड़ा boring हो जाएगा because if you don't read it तो like आप video देखो तो sit while you're eating something, I guess, क्योंकि I know things. Like I hope you would enjoy the rest. And I have gone halfway. And yeah. Will You Still Love Me by Ravinder Singh. It was good. I read it after I read the book by the Kitty Ned, and I love it. I absolutely love it क्योंकि I don't know, like sometimes you just feel the thing. Maybe he was from Punjab and I could feel the Punjabi grace living here. So yeah, so I loved it. The Annihilator. If I would be honest, मैंने नहीं पढ़ी ये वाली book because मेरी बहन ने पढ़ी थी. I don't want to expose myself. I would like to shut the fuck up. And Dark Horse book, if you know, you know. Again, Chetan Bhagat. Chetan Bhagat की almost हर book है मेरे पास. हर book. Okay. So One Indian Girl, Chetan Bhagat की, and I love it because Radhika was like too independent, and I was in the era कि बहुत पैसे कमाएंगे, and I'm still at that era. Like I don't want to like shut down with that era क्योंकि मुझे पैसे कमाने हैं, of course. And Radhika was really good. Radhika was really good. And like when I see her fuck up life, तो अच्छी लगी थी मुझे. Rich Dad Poor Dad, ये भी मामू की है. मैंने तो सारी पढ़ूंगी. I never even read like 5 pages. So I would like to shut up. Again. Good Girls Guide to Murder. मेरी बहन ने पढ़ी थी ये सारी, ये तीनों. I have not. I want to, but मेरे घर की सिचुएशन ऐसी हो जाती है कि ये लोग पढ़ने ही नहीं देते हैं. ये लोग नहीं चाहते कि हम लोग नॉवेल्स पढ़े, तो फिर so I started the new thing using the laptop. So when I read it, I just say कि मैं अपनी थीसिस पढ़ रही हूँ. In the Plum household, you have to do such things to survive, right? Then we have again any later के parts. We have the whole series. इसमें क्या था ये? चलो. No. प्रिशु, इसके बाद तो इन फोटो भी खींचेगा फॉर थंबनेल.
दीदी आज बाहर जाए.
कहाँ जाए?
वो वाला नेटवर्क पे वापस करने वाली है.
ये उसकी है तीनों.
हाँ.
Oh my god. So this book क्या है इसका नाम? Once Upon a Broken Heart. ये मेरी बहन की है again. And ये भी उसने उसकी friend से ली है. So she's gonna return it, of course. क्या? The American Roommate Experiment. I absolutely love this. ठीक है. I absolutely love this. इसमें तो क्या ये मैंने अपने आप बनाया है? कितना क्रिंज है, मैंने खुद बनाया है. So yeah, I love this. There is like, I just don't have words now. That's it. That was the physical books I had, and now I would like to show you all my darkest romance books on my laptop. Okay, so let's start with Evina. I don't know how to pronounce her name, but Evina St. Graves, Skin of a Sinner. I read this book last year. मैंने 2 या 3 बुक पढ़ी थी, and those were her books because I was on the break. Yeah, a huge break. मेरे फर्स्ट ईयर में कुछ नहीं पढ़ा है. मैंने सेकेंड ईयर में 3 बुक्स पढ़ी हैं. थर्ड ईयर में आई एम बैक इन माई एरा एंड आई हैव स्टार्टेड रीडिंग. आई वुड नॉट से अ लॉट, बट येस आई हैव स्टार्टेड एंड दैट्स अ गुड स्टार्ट. सो आई रेड हर दिस बुक. मैंने उसकी डेथ ऑब्सेशन भी पढ़ी है, एंड when I read a lot about like 2 ding-alongs, and I was like, ऐसा भूत मेरे पास भी हो. ये कैसी थी? But यार, like I love it. मैंने इसकी ये पढ़ी है. Then मैंने अभी recently मैंने कौन सी पढ़ी है अप्रैल से लेके अभी तक. ठीक है. आई गेस इसमें से एक आधी तो मैंने डिलीट भी कर दी है कि कहाँ मेरे को याद भी नहीं है. ठीक है. एन एंजल फॉर टसार. It's a like Russian mafia book, and I absolutely love it. I just do not have words. मैंने चुन के वो अपने फोन पे नोट्स ऐप में वो पेजेस लिखे हैं जहाँ पे he is like, oh my god, he is going crazy and I'm going crazy and I'm like, yeah. ठीक है. Then I read no, I did not read this one. ये बस पड़ी हुई है मेरे पास. His Twisted Ways. I absolutely love Lauren Ross की ये book at his twisted ways. क्या क्या नाम था इनका? Amara and oh, this was about the African girl, Nigeria. She was from Nigeria, I guess. But and I do not think he was so good. So he met her at the bar, and she was the waitress, and then things happened, and she was like, उसकी life बहुत miserable चल रही थी, and he was like, yeah, I am the man, and he cleared up like everything. Then I read Devious Touch by Rhea Harp. Girl, that was so hell good. That was so hell good. I have no words. I literally do not have any words to express how good this book is. If you wanna get back into your romance girl era, you have to start. Okay? An Angel for Desire and this Devious Touch. Oh my goodness, they both of them are like too good. When I say too good, it is too good. Then let's go. फिर उसके बाद मैंने पढ़ी थी पॉइजन पेटल बाय लेया रोज. आई गेस इसका फर्स्ट और सेकंड पार्ट में से मिस आया, तो इसका फर्स्ट पार्ट आई डोंट नो कौन सा है, सेकंड पार्ट कौन सा है. पर इसकी दोनों बुक्स, एक पॉइजन पेटल्स है एंड वेलवेट थॉर्न्स है. एंड you would fall in love, like literal fall in love. It's yeah, the first part is the Velvet Thorns. उसमें there are like 115 pages and you would complete it in single sitting. मैंने तो कर ली थी. I was like I sat and I was like reading and खत्म हो गई थी. क्या करूँगी घर? Oh, you look good.
ये वाली चीज तो बहुत ही अच्छी लग रही थी. They're so smooth, so silky right now.
No, I like your legs more.
My boy. मेरे घर पे दरिंदे बैठे.
कुछ दरिंदा बोल. तू ना दरिंदा बोल रहा है. पागल है क्या? Hi. Sometimes you don't wanna come, and sometimes you're like, हाँ.
देखो जब मैं अच्छी लग रही होती हूँ ना, तो ना मेरी बहन ने पूरे वीडियो में कहीं कैमरा मेरे ऊपर करा नथिंग. बट सुबह के 5 बजे जब मैं बकवास से बकवास लग सकती हूँ, देन शी लाइक वो वहां पे पढ़ रही है. अरे प्रिवेसी दीदी,
प्रीवियसली
एग्जैक्टली.
I have to complete it. पापा ने खाना रखना स्टार्ट कर दिया.
20 मिनट की तो हो गई है.
So what?
10 की हुई है चाय.
नहीं.
इतना लंबा एपिसोड तेरा कौन देखेगा?
Nobody asked your opinion. Again. ले.
आपको पूछा किसने कल?
मैंने पूछा था आपसे सुनाएगा. लड़ाई हो सकती है. You fucking get out. Okay. Velvet Thorn and then मैंने वो पढ़ी and then I was like कि अब मैं क्या करूँ and I downloaded the next book. नहीं actually ना मुझे पहले poison petals का पता चला था Instagram, ठीक है, and I was like अच्छा है तो I searched for it and फिर उसमें ना लिखा हुआ था कि अगर आपने ये कुछ नहीं समझ आएगा पहले ये वाली पढ़ो. तो फिर मुझे लगा अच्छा. Okay. The Poison Petals was also really good. Now let's go for another almost read. क्या ये मैंने नहीं पढ़ी अभी ये. हाँ मैं अभी ये पढ़ने वाली हूँ. ये भी पढ़नी है मुझे, एक और भी पढ़नी है. But okay, right now I'm reading Ruthless Saint and it is good. I'm not saying it is bad, but somehow I just cannot read it. Do you know how frustrated I feel जब मेरे से नहीं पढ़ी जा रही कि मैं क्या करूँ. Okay, so it was good. अभी भी I am like reading, but I just don't know कि क्या करूँ. Oh, it is published by Dirty Talks Publishing Limited. Hi. So yeah, that's it for the vlog and I hope you liked it. And if you liked it, then girl, give the thumbs up, and you can go. Like, if you don't want to go, मैं आपसे भीख नहीं मांग रही हूँ. And I hope you loved it, and I hope you're happy and being safe, and you're mentally happy, because that's what also matters. Mental peace is the thing which is like really hard to get. So I hope you're getting it. तड़का लग गया. So yeah, that's it. That's it for the vlog. I hope you loved it and liked it, and I love you guys. I love you guys.